outrage. Now repeat after me. Outrage. Outrage. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Meaning, outrage is a strong feeling of shock or anger, usually triggered by something seen as unjust, offensive, or morally wrong. It's an intense emotional response when someone feels that a situation or action is deeply unfair or disrespectful. Outrage can lead to vocal protests, strong reactions, or even public outcry. Think of it like this. Outrage is that surge of anger and disbelief when something deeply bothers your sense of justice or fairness. In a sentence, the decision caused outrage among the community, leading to protests. Here, outrage refers to the strong anger and disapproval felt by the people. Let's try another example. Her comments sparked outrage on social media, with people expressing their disapproval. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using outrage. Synonyms. Some related terms for outrage are indignation, anger or resentment over something unjust; fury, intense anger or rage. Antonyms. The opposite of outrage would be a state of peace with no strong emotional reaction. Acceptance. Willingness to tolerate or agree with something, even if it's unfavorable. Part of speech. Outrage is a noun referring to a strong feeling of anger or shock over something unfair or offensive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.